Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, epic, crispy fried curry chicken with turmeric rice. First thing up, I need to marinate this beautiful bird here. Okay, so I'm using some lime salt. Lime salt, easy to make. Take the skin off the lime, make sure you remove the white pith, right? And then leave it in the sun to dry. Obviously, if you're living in the UK, that might be a challenge. Put it in a conservatory, nice hot dry place, or leave it in an oven very low and slow until it's crispy. Then what do? You whack it in a blender, your spice blender, boom, 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 right? And 70% salt, and rest is lime skin. Can't remember what I was doing then. Or if you want it a bit more limey, you just lower the ratio of salt and add a little bit more lime. After one day, you have incredible, beautiful, zesty flavors to anything that you prepare. Right, so a little bit of garlic oil. I wasn't prepared for that. I made that this morning. Obviously, I didn't tie in the, put in the top properly. You know me, I always keep it in, keep it clean, keep the bloopers, because that's what's real. All right, turmeric powder. Yeah, my little Charlie, she's my guest taster, right? So make sure you're not downwind for that, for obvious reasons. Some lemon pepper. Wonderful, wonderful. Roasted cumin. Garam masala, which is the curry. Anchar masala.
It looks like chocolate.
Come and have a taste. Tell me if it really tastes like chocolate. Yeah, there we go. Now turn it over. One more time. Oil. Turmeric powder. Lemon pepper. Amchar masala. Garam masala. Cumin. Sorry.
That looks more like
Yeah,
like
cumin.
chocolate.
Roasted cumin. Put that in there like so. Now, going to pop that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Going to pop that in the fridge for approximately 4 hours. So while that's marinating, I'm going to make my rice. So, garlic oil, some cardamom, it's about 4 pods, ginger, yeah, a little bit of curry leaves because I need that for the fried chicken later on, cinnamon, bay leaves, turmeric root. This is great. I use this at least 4 or 5 times a week. Great for arthritis, gout. It's an anti-inflammatory, and trust me, it works. I couldn't do that, and I suffer, you know, like most people do when they're getting on a little, from aches and pains in the bones, and it does work if you use it on a regular basis, powder or foam. So, you know, Kathy Tully, this is for you, my darling, yeah, especially for you, sweetheart. She's a dime and a dollar, that lady. Garlic, right? I'm going to let that fry off for a couple of minutes. Let's have a look at that. I'll give that a nice little stir, like so. Wow, those aromas, incredible, folks. I'm going to add the gizzards from the chicken also, feet and all, because that's going to give me a nice beautiful flavor to my rice. And now, folks, my washed rice. I'm using boiling water for the reason that, well, cooking on a coal pot, it takes a fair while for the water to come to the boil, so I just want to speed up the process. So basically 3 parts rice, 1 part rice, 3 parts water, and let that come up to the boil. So my rice is reduced, look at that. I'm going to place the pot on and place it on the side to steam itself dry for approximately 40 minutes. Now for that chicken. Chicken's ready. Now going to fry this baby. So garlic oil. I'm starting with garlic oil, right? And the key thing, every time I want to make a cooking sketch, the dogs love to bark, as you folks know. Right, so the key to cooking with a clay pot, make sure you have it on your cinders for approximately 15 minutes before, so the clay pot gets nice and hot. So garlic, right, that'll heat up. Turmeric, curry leaves, cardamom pods, one nice big juicy dry chili, and some cinnamon. Let them fry off for a couple of minutes. Just give that a little stir like so. And I'm going to leave the pot on and let all those flavors infuse for another 5 minutes. Let's have a look at this. Yes. Ooh, those aromas, intensely, very, very beautiful. I did add a little bit more rice. So now I gotta add my chicken. That smells wonderful, folks. Look at that. So, the chicken. Skin side down. Like so. I'm going to let that fry. And keep an eye on it, because we are cooking in a clay pot, and everything when cooking this style is touchy, feely, right, as they say. So give it 5 minutes and we'll turn it over, just have a sneak peek. I don't want it to fry too crispy, too fast, right? I want this to be a nice slow and low, okay? But it's looking good, isn't it? Oh, wonderful, wonderful colours. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over, because this is going to be turned a few times because it's rather thick. So we're going to turn this over and let it cook 80% on the bone side down. And then for the last 20%, we're going to whack it over and put the crispy skin into the oil and let that crisp up really, really nice. So let's have a gander. All right, see. Look at those wonderful colours right there. Oh, amazing, look at that. Fantastic, isn't it? Yes, folks, for those of you who have been observant enough, my beard matches my hat. There you go, stupid Sherlock, right? Okay, that chicken looks wonderful. I'm going to leave that for, well, keep an eye on it, but we'll leave it for about half an hour. Looks wonderful. Taste, smells, taste. I don't know it's going to taste good, but the smell is incredible. That colour already comes from the turmeric, and so you can imagine when it's done how wonderful it is going to be. Ooh, that, my friends, looks and smells incredible. Right, got to fry this over. Turn this over, finish it off. That's been cooking for approximately 45 minutes actually. So I'm going to leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes on the skin side down. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Ooh. Just at that. Look. Absolutely wonderful. Divine. Wow. Oh. Wow. How is it? My cat's going crazy. Got my dogs over here. Cat's down there, hounding at my feet. So folks, thanks for watching. This is from my upcoming new book out in a couple of weeks called the Exotic BBQ Book. The Exotic BBQ Book. It's got all recipes from Southeast Asia, subcontinent, Middle East, North Africa and the Caribbean. I will take some for you, princess. Well done. Yeah. Out very soon. All different types of cooking from all these wonderful regions with all these wonderful spices and flavors. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Subscribe to my Chef Sherlock cooking channel and subscribe particularly to Chef Sherlock Facebook page, because then you'll get to know when all these things happen. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm going to enjoy my dinner with my little Charlie. How is it?
Divine, better than divine, the same good as the rice.
Same good as the rice. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.